Get ready to spring into action with our latest outdoor play sensation, the Spring Rider. Designed to ignite imaginations and fuel endless adventures, this customizable playground equipment is every child's ticket to outdoor fun. A dynamic blend of durability and excitement, engineered to withstand all weather conditions. Rain or shine, this rugged wonder stands tall, ready to deliver thrills day in and day out. Crafted with precision and passion, our Spring Rider boasts a sturdy construction that guarantees years of safe play. Made for little explorers with big dreams, its customizable features allow you to tailor it to your unique space and style. But the real magic of the Spring Rider lies in the joy it brings to every child who climbs aboard. From soaring through the air like a superhero to embarking on imaginary journeys to far-off lands, the possibilities are as endless as their imagination. So, whether they're racing towards adventure or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, our Spring Rider promises laughter, smiles, and memories that last a lifetime. Experience the thrill of outdoor play like never before with the Spring Rider. Because when it comes to fun, there's no limit to what your little ones can achieve.